I'm going to demonstrate how to calibrate a fluid-filled transducer. So for this demonstration I'm going to use an MLT 844 pressure transducer which comes with a dome. The transducer is connected to 80 instruments bridge amp, which is in turn connected to the power lab, which is running LabChart software. To do the calibration I'll be using the pressure gauge kit, which comes with a syringe, some tubing and a manometer dial. So the first thing I'm going to do is fill up the dome with some saline. I've attached a 3-way tap onto the dome, and what I'll do is just fill it up with some saline, which is in the syringe, and make sure that the tap is open to the dome. And now I can slowly add some fluid to, see it's filling up there, making sure that there are no bubbles in the dome, and it fills up all the way to the top. Close off the tap, remove the syringe, and now the dome is full of bubble-free saline. I can now attach the dome to the transducer, making sure that it's on. And what I can do now is, because it is open to air on the one side, I can zero this transducer for 0 millimeters of mercury. So I go to the bridge amp. My range is on 10 millivolts, which is sufficient for the pressures I'm going to be recording, and I just click on 0. It takes a couple of seconds to zero the transducer, and I click OK, and now I'm ready to calibrate the transducer. So I can start recording, and because it's zeroed and open to air, I can now drop a comment, and I've put in 0, drop in a comment that this is my 0 level. Now I connect the pressure gauge to the other side of the transducer, and now I can slowly add some pressure. As you can see, the dial will go up to my nominal pressure, which I'll choose to be 100 millimeters of mercury. There it is. And I will drop another comment for 100, make sure it's on 100, drop the comment, and now I can stop recording. Now to calibrate this, I will make a selection of the data from where I know it was 0 all the way to where I know it was 100. Go to units conversion, make a selection of the first bit, that is 0, and the last bit, which was 100. Set my units up as millimeters of mercury. Click OK, and now everything is in millimeters of mercury. So my 0 point over there, 0 millimeters of mercury, and the end point is 100 millimeters of mercury. And that's it.